Another look at us and our differences. Lose that grin, it helps us fall in between. Why is it so hard when there's old scars? Take another turn with me. We don't have to be always forever. We can spend our days somehow together. Still, we both think alike, yet we seem to bite. Parting is difficult, greeting is just a charm. However it goes, trust in me and know that you are worth every tear. Time is up, we don't have no luxuries. Touch my lip as I breathe for the two of us. Show me what you got, give me something more. Show me what you got, I need something else. When you liberate me, feels like I am going crazy. So full of love. When you're dancing on me, I'm beyond the new moon, lazy. So full of love. I don't need nothing too extreme, so come on.